guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Okay. Do we have any other questions about mentorship, about my signing today? The deed signing and the will. It was the deed and the will. Now, we do offer the estate/trust training as because that's what that was today. And typically in a trust package, you'll have a deed, power of attorney, medical power of attorney, financial power of attorney. So I go over all of that in the estate package training, which is also included in mentorship. So you want to learn how to do those jobs because those are your higher paying jobs. So what are my top paying jobs? Let me tell you. Oh, hold on. Let me get this last comment from Be Positive. You encouraged me during some tough times, and I've been watching you for a while, and I'm grateful for you, and thank you so much. Will do. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, it's my pleasure, and I hope things have gotten a little better for you, okay? We know things are not going to be perfect, but I hope it's gotten a little bit better, and I'm so glad I could be a part of that. So thank you for sharing that with me. Now I forgot. Oh, the estate/trust. Yeah, so my top paying jobs, really quick, are estate/trust. You don't have to be certified, but you do need to know what you're doing. So that would be part of my general notary work. My apostille work is my number 2. And then my loan signing. Any of those top 3. Those are my top 3. What makes the most money is apostilles at one pop, because typically that's $175 out the gate, depending on all the factors. So don't ask me, how did you come up with that figure? It depends on what it is. But the apostille. Number 2 would be my loan signings, because those are typically 3 figures too. And then my other one, but this was general notary, and it was 3. So you got to know how to price. You got to know how to do your skill. You got to know how to do all of it in order to win. So if I teach you how to price and you don't know how to notarize, you don't have a business. If I teach you how to notarize and not to price, you don't have no business. If I teach you to do all that, you don't know how to market, you don't have no business. So I cover everything. We have 16 courses, all 5 stars, Notary Business Success Mentor Program. Check it out at notaryeducators.com when you are ready. Notaryeducators.com when you are ready to do your business. It's not for you if you just want to kind of look around. If you do, I'd recommend just kind of play here on my channel, because I got 1,000 videos plus. But when you're ready to go next level in your business and put the work in, the mentorship program is the only way for you to go. It is the #1 mentorship program. Yep. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna claim it. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. Yeah, I used to say, but because if I don't say it, who else gonna say it? But no, it really is a great mentorship program. It's a beautiful community, and it's getting better every day. People are loosening up a little bit more. Because when it first started, oh, hold on, wait, we got comments here. Hold on, we got comments. Hey, S I do. Had a headache. So just joining. Oh, okay, yeah, I just popped on. We just finished doing a signing, so I thought I would go live right quick. You are so welcome. Be positive. As I do, thumbs up. Yes, and she just recently joined mentorship. Can you talk to how the chat is going, Miss Abdul? Do you like the mentorship? Because the chat be popping. When it get to popping, it's popping. Sometimes I'm like, I'm about to take a break from that. I'll be back. And that's just because I have my own business too. I'm not just sitting around here. I'm not just a YouTuber. That's what I always tell people. I actually get out here and I stamp these papers. I'm using people in my group all the time. She says she's loving it. Great. Yeah. So I'm telling you, when you're ready, the proof is in the pudding. We got the receipts. You can read the reviews. And then just come try it for yourself. Come try it for yourself. Now, if you sign up and you're like, I got to cancel, you can cancel. It's no problem. But just unenroll yourself like you enrolled yourself. You don't have to call me or try to email me. You just go back to your little face, your little avatar, and you unenroll. Okay? A few more minutes. I'm going to get out of here. I see we got a few new people that joined. Any other questions I can help you with before I go? I'm trying to see if I got a little more light. I think that's good. Any more questions? Let's see. Any more questions? We got a few more minutes together. I can answer a few more questions. So if you're just starting out though and you don't need mentorship right away, you could always start with your Start Your Notary Business book. And there's one for every state. So you can check that out. As mentioned earlier, and I do thank Be Positive for talking about the journals. You can check out my journal that I wrote. It's a nice journal. Covers everything. You can put all your stuff in your field inspections, apostilles, wedding officiant. You can put everything in that one journal. We got some new people that joined us. I'm gonna take your questions if you have any right quick. I'm Kimmi. For those of you who may be new, you may know who I am, but if you wanted to ask a question, let me see if I cut that light out. What happens? I think it's better with, oh, it don't do that much because I don't want to leave it on and then battery run down. We had Bojangles for lunch today. I gotta quit eating all this fast food again. I was doing so good. And then here I go. Be Positive says, I'm excited. I have did it all of that and I'm looking forward to my growth with the Notary Educators Mentorship Program. Yeah, let's talk about how the mentorship program works too really quick. So what happens is when you join, there's a welcome video, of course. And then you can start going through the courses. You can start immediately going through them. I recommend when you first join that you join the chat immediately because that's going to give you some infusion in your mental space, being with like-minded people, okay? So I recommend you join the group me, which you'll get the link. It's included in the course. And then once you join the group me, go right back to start watching your courses. Most people, when they sign up, they just blitz it. They watch everything in one day. And then when they get ready to go do a signing, they don't know nothing. But that's okay. That's okay. I always have to tell them, pump the brakes, go back, and let's rewatch it, you know, and then we can come in and fill in the pieces. So mentorship does not work like you can just pick up the phone and just call us because we're all working. But our chat, like I said, is open 7 days a week, early in the morning till late at night. So if you're stuck on an assignment, you would just type it in there, hey, what's going on, we'll answer. But we really help to prepare you before you even get the assignment. So that's how we like to roll. I want you preparing your documents. My eyes are a little itchy. I want you preparing your documents before you go out. So that's what we really teach you to do. Prepare your documents. And after you prepare your documents, if you got some questions, hey, what's this? Hey, what's that? Okay. But don't think you're going to just take mentorship anyone and you don't put something into it. And it's just, we're there to walk you through a 300-page signing because that can't happen. We just don't have time for that. Okay. One of our people the other day, they took a signing. I don't think they knew how many pages it was. And it turned out to be almost 400. Yep, 400. They had to print 2 for them, you know, for the signer to sign, and then 2 to leave with the client. So that's why we got to really try to ask questions because signing companies, they can be a little, you know what I'm trying to say sometimes. Like, oh, because I got one that calls me all the time. He'll say, oh yeah, I got a small little seller's package. Da-da-da. I'm like, okay. All right. I start asking more questions. Okay, so how many pages is it? Oh, it's just a couple pages. And I'm still asking because I asked him 3 different times, 3 different ways. Okay. And then by the time we get finished, he'll be like, oh, it's like 50. I'm like, well, 50 and a couple is 2 different things. And me and this lady kind of got into it one day. She said, oh, I got a quick deed signing for you. I'm like, okay. I'm thinking it's like 2 or 3 pages. Like I did today. I did a deed signing today. It was only 2 pages. I'm thinking it's something like that. So when she sent it out, it's a full-blown package. So I did go back and ask her for more money. So this is my thing when it comes to asking for more money. If the scope of work changes, like you tell me when you're hiring me on the phone that it's a deed signing, and then now all of a sudden it's 40 or 50 pages, we got a problem. Because I'm thinking it's only 2, and it's more than that. So she gave me some more money that day. We still ended up $5 short. But I didn't press on that because I wanted the relationship. I could have, been kind of crazy about it, but I wasn't. And I don't do that. I don't recommend you do it either. Sometimes I call it the cost of doing business. You didn't price it right. You underpriced it. Whatever happened, it happened. It's over. Move on. But in that case, I was like, I'm not playing no games with her. I'm not playing. So any other questions? I see we got some new people. Any other questions? If not, I'm going to get ready to wrap this up. But I did want to hop on and tell you about my little signing today. It was actually good. Let's see who's this. Be Positive says, that's very helpful. And I'm nervous, but definitely looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to starting General Notary, fingerprints, field inspection, and I'm going to pace myself and take my time. Yes, and that's what I recommend, seriously. And I know you're excited when you first start, and there's so much to do, so much money to be made. But if you don't learn it properly, you don't take time to actually process the information, when it comes time to execute, you won't be able to. You won't. So that's why I'm like, just take your time, pump the brakes. We gonna be here. We've been here. We don't plan to go nowhere. The courses are still there. There's nothing changed. So just take your time. So we're gonna look forward to seeing you soon. Be positive, and please be positive. I know this life can get hard. It can, and that's just facts. We were talking about that this morning. But I had the most beautiful, I didn't put it in here, it's on Instagram and stuff, sunrise. I say sunrise, but it was so beautiful. We got an early start out today, and I put that in my it's in the group me too. I put a picture of it, a little video that I took. I was thinking I put it over here on YouTube too. All right, guys. Well, on behalf of Notary Educators, I'm gonna look for you soon over in the mentorship program, or in the chat, or here on YouTube. Thank you as always, and I wish you much success. Bye. Bye, Be Positive. Bye, everyone.